Every ship needs a captain, but every captain once stood where you are today. As a cadet, just beginning their journey. Whether you are a DNS cadet or a B.Sc Nautical Science student, your course is the first step on a remarkable voyage towards a ship's bridge and eventually a captain's chair. After completing your 1-year diploma in Nautical Science, you go on board a deck cadet for 18 months of sea service. For B.Sc in Nautical Science, once you complete 3 years degree program, you need to proceed for 12 months on board cadetship. Once your cadetship is complete, you come back ashore and appear for your second mate's foreign going COC exam. Clearing this gives you a license to sail as a third officer, your first officer rank. With more onboard experience and additional training, you move up from third officer to second officer to chief officer. You will need to clear the chief mate foreign going COC after accumulating enough sea time. To become a captain, you must have around 36 months of sea time as an officer and then pass the master foreign going COC exam. Once cleared, you become eligible to be promoted as master mariner, captain of the vessel. This journey can take 8 to 12 years from cadet to captain. It's not always smooth sailing, but the reward is unmatched. Global exposure, leadership, and lifelong respect. Remember, no captain ever reached the bridge without discipline, dedication, and vision. At Souls, we don't just train you for a job, we prepare you for command. To every deck cadet watching this, start strong, stay the course, and never forget where you're headed. This is Captain Rishi Sharma. I'll see you on the bridge.